Welcome to AI Techscape, the ultimate guide to unlocking the limitless potential of AI and building a scalable, profitable business. Get ready to be blown away as we unveil 7 game-changing AI business ideas that are ready for you to seize today. You're about to dive into a world of untapped possibilities where competition is minimal and opportunities are endless. From AI personal assistants to AI-powered art services, we'll explore how these readily available AI tools can revolutionize your online business. Are you excited? I know I am! Let's dive into the AI Techscape and get ready to learn, be inspired, and equip ourselves with the tools to soar above the competition. Ready? Let's get started! Number 1. AI Personal Assistant. Just like using software to launch a business, employing an AI personal assistant, when done correctly, holds the potential to generate significant financial opportunities that can transform one's life. Business owners face numerous responsibilities on a daily basis, such as managing emails, networking, reaching out to clients, and attending scheduled calls. By offering your services, you can deliver considerable value to individuals who understand the importance of outsourcing these tasks and are willing to pay you very well for your expertise and contributions. To begin with, you can leverage existing tools like ChatGPT 3 or ChatGPT 4, which power ChatGPT to automate the process of writing emails. Furthermore, developing an AI system that comprehends natural language and accurately emulates your unique tone and style in emails adds significant value to your services. The ability to automate email writing while maintaining a personalized touch offers a distinct advantage and enhances the overall value you provide to clients. Then you can expand your services beyond emails, which includes setting up meetings with employees, making invoices, and other tasks. The next phase would be to integrate voice commands to an Alexa or Google Home with an AI assistance features. For some businesses, time is more valuable than money, and they are willing to pay a high price to get it back. Number 2. Image processing and editing. If you have used TikTok or Instagram, you must have encountered numerous filters in posts and stories. These filters have now become a standard feature for social media content, presenting an exciting opportunity. As users increasingly embrace and expect filter-enhanced content, there is immense potential to leverage this trend to create engaging and captivating social media experiences. Considering the tremendous success of editing apps, it's intriguing to explore the possibilities of an AI-driven solution that can transform any photo into an AI-generated art. For instance, you could input a serene nature photograph and the AI would generate a vibrant, colorful image or a dreamlike surreal composition. The ability to input any photo and receive back a diverse collection of 50 AI-generated art pieces opens up endless creative possibilities. This particular service is appealing, especially for professional artists or enthusiasts seeking fresh and imaginative visual content to enhance their projects. Moreover, OpenAI has exciting plans to release the new and improved GPT-4, a next-generation language model that is anticipated to be a significant leap forward. GPT-4 will have an extensive data set containing 1,000 times more information than its predecessor GPT-3. This massive increase in data will empower the GPT-4 to provide even more accurate and sophisticated content. However, to succeed in the market, it's essential to position yourself as the provider of necessary tools rather than the one tirelessly searching for the ultimate prize. You can establish a highly lucrative business by embracing AI technology, learning its potential, and continually incorporating new features. Number 3. AI-powered art service on Fiverr. A large portion of the global population remains unaware of the intricacies of AI artwork and its creation process. Consequently, a considerable market exists for individuals eager to pay for art generation services. This presents a valuable opportunity to offer your expertise and provide artistic solutions to meet their needs. With AI, creating logos and other types of artwork has become relatively easy. By utilizing tools like DALL-E or Midjourney, the process becomes even more accessible. Select the AI model that aligns with the desired art style and generate multiple options until you find a perfect match. This approach enables you to efficiently produce high-quality designs that meet your client's specific requirements. The similar benefits this service provides, such as faster turnaround and instant delivery, may be comparable to the fees charged by a graphic designer or artist. The entire process becomes conveniently accessible, allowing you to manage and expand your business effortlessly at your fingertips. Number 4. Copywriting. It is the skill of using words to market a product or persuade people to support a particular objective. Like all other writers, copywriters confront the challenges of time constraints and the dreaded writer's block. Existing AI tools answer such issues that have persisted for as long as we can remember. Launching a copywriting service that relies only on AI tools like ChatGPT to produce the content required by clients is possible. Furthermore, copywriting is an art that takes years to master, is constantly evolving, and hence requires your individual attention. Some individuals have been working in this field for many years, but with AI-generated copywriting, you'll discover that it can deliver results faster, at a lower cost, and with greater efficiency. In fact, it can emulate the productivity of multiple experienced writers working simultaneously under your direction. Now, your primary focus is finding clients, understanding their vision, and utilizing ChatGPT automation to bring everything together. Of course, this won't be as easy as the other suggestions, but it can potentially bring a lot more money. Acquiring clients is not a difficult task, especially considering that social media platforms are still evolving and many businesses operate within traditional frameworks. With the aid of AI, you can automate various aspects such as creating captions and posts. In the long run, this approach will enable you to develop processes, systems, and keyword optimization, gaining a deeper understanding of what works best with AI-generated inputs. This business opportunity is ideal for individuals with creative inclinations, those interested in copywriting, or those with a marketing background. By initially acquiring a few clients, you can gradually expand your business. And as you succeed, you can expand by hiring capable individuals who can replicate your methods. Eventually, if you become proficient in utilizing AI, you can even teach others to leverage its potential. Number 5. Newsletters. In recent years, several prominent individuals, media outlets, and business owners have launched their own newsletters. This may be a terrific source of income in addition to being a fantastic method to interact with your audience and have your own platform. Creating a newsletter is a simple task that can be automated with AI. If you require photos for your newsletter, you can utilize Midjourney to create images specifically for your newsletter cover. Additionally, there are various other tools available that can automate the modifications you're seeking. These tools streamline the process, making it more efficient and effective in achieving your desired outcomes. Simply choose a market, a niche, and a subject, and you're good to go. Maybe you want to write a daily newsletter about the latest fashion trends, offering style tips, outfit inspiration, and exclusive discounts from popular clothing brands. Or maybe you're passionate about personal finance and want to create a weekly newsletter that provides money-saving strategies, investment insights, and practical budgeting advice for your subscribers. Or perhaps you're a travel enthusiast and you could create a monthly newsletter sharing travel guides, destination recommendations, and insider tips for exploring new places around the world. Remember, possibilities are vast and you can tailor your newsletter to any niche or interests you are passionate about and believe will resonate with your target audience. Simply utilize popular social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter, which offer an organic and user-friendly environment. Begin by creating a compelling post and engaging with your audience to encourage them to sign up for your newsletter. Once subscribed, you can then start delivering valuable content to your subscribers. From there, you can choose your topic and idea and generate a newsletter by running it through ChatGPT. This powerful tool will assist you in creating the content for your newsletter, which you can schedule for daily or weekly distribution. Now the question is, how do you plan to make money off of it? Well, to get started, you'll need to get a large number of subscribers. Subsequently, if you achieve a satisfactory open rate and receive positive feedback from readers, with patience, you can gradually grow an audience willing to pay for advertising spots in your newsletter. Another option is to incorporate affiliate marketing, where you include affiliate links or promotions within your newsletter content. For example, if you have a favorite cooking product and want to make money, you might contact a manufacturer or look for it in Amazon and receive a commission each time a new customer purchases. These approaches have the potential to generate significant revenue for your newsletter. Number 6. Thumbnails. When you click a YouTube video, browse through articles, blogs, or websites, or conduct Google search, you will come across thumbnails. These thumbnails serve as visual representations or previews of the content, enticing you to click and explore further. Thumbnails act as a visual gateway, capturing your attention and guiding you toward relevant information or engaging content. Therefore, you should decide what kinds of thumbnail you might make that would be useful to others. Narrowing your focus to thumbnails for YouTube videos rather than aiming to be the generalist can help you attract and retain more clients. Stick to one area of expertise and master it thoroughly. So, to generate thumbnails using AI, you can use these two AI tools, Midjourney and DALL-E, which are experts in creating an AI image from text input. Putting together thumbnails may require a little experience with Photoshop, but there are plenty of other simple programs and websites like Canva that may help you out. Though less automated than some other businesses, this one has the potential to grow in importance as artificial intelligence or AI improves and more services are created. And number 7. Online business leveraging AI. There are a lot of people who make a living off of selling things on the internet. This includes clothes, accessories, art, furniture, and more. And this is where AI can help by developing and conceptualizing these products. You can either drop ship them or eventually start selling them to clients at a wholesale prices. When people think of selling things online, they generally think of some type of merch ranging from t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more. In this case, you might utilize ChatGPT to generate and narrow down ideas for merch designs. Then, you can run those ideas through services such as Midjourney or DALL-E to develop unique art. In your business, you can take advantage of services such as Printful, a print-on-demand service that eliminates the need for inventory storage. With minimal setup requirements, you can receive orders, have them printed, and arrange for shipping, ensuring the products are fully delivered to customers. The best part is that you won't have to invest in or physically handle the products yourself. However, if you wish to expand your setup even more, you can consider utilizing platforms like Shopify, which provides simple store creation with drag-and-drop templates. Additionally, you can enhance your website by incorporating tools like Sidekick to develop landing pages. Moreover, you can leverage copywriting tools such as Jenny.ai or Copy.ai to assist with crafting compelling content. By combining these resources, you can create a website without the need for coding or extensive manual labor, as the AI takes care of the entire process for you. Moreover, dropshippers frequently use TikTok as a kind of organic marketing to introduce their products to the public. And advertisements on Facebook still continue to provide a lot of value. Even so, you need to know your market well enough to find the right people and eventually sell your products. For instance, when examining some of the world's most expensive clothing brands, their success is not solely attributed to design, but to the culture and community surrounding the brand. Building a strong brand identity and crafting a compelling story are crucial if you pursue this path and want to make your business stand out. These elements differentiate a successful business from one that may struggle to gain momentum. If the question arises about the legality of selling AI-generated art, it's important to note that it is entirely legal. Despite the ease with which it can be created, selling AI-generated art is 100% legal. This is because the art is not created by a human, and according to existing copyright laws in the United States, you have the freedom to utilize AI-generated art in any manner you choose to generate income. While these AI business ideas may appear to offer easy and efficient solutions, it's important to remember that success still requires hard work, dedication, and continuous effort. Embracing AI technology can undoubtedly provide significant advantages and streamline various processes, but it's the combination of your unique vision, expertise, and commitment that will ultimately drive your success. As you embark on your AI-powered business venture, be prepared to invest necessary time and energy to build your brand, acquire clients, and refine your offerings. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but your passion and determination will make a difference in achieving sustainable and lucrative results. With that said, I hope you found these 7 profitable AI business ideas informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and together, let's explore, learn, and navigate the AI techscape. Until next time!